Ooh. Ooh, hi. Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens. Right? I'm in Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee. I've been here all weekend. I came out here for a convention. Hey, if this is your first time you watching me, go ahead and hit that bell notification. Because it's about that time. I know you're hungry, because this is where you come to get your brain food, baby. And I'm going to be coming to you every day at 12 p.m., okay, with your motivation for the day, for your brain food for the day. And at the end of the day, I'm going to give you a technique session, a how-to, things that you can actually implement in your business online and offline, okay, my friend? But today, I wanted to ask you, are you feeling stuck? Right? Are you working harder than everybody else at your job right now? Okay, you're doing the extra work, but at the end of the week, you and that same person that's been on their phone all week are going to get the same check. Is that fair? Right? No, life's not fair, Colton. That's all right. But this is my story. Okay, when I was working at Buffalo Wild Wings, I was making about $500 every 2 weeks. Alrighty, what's going on? I was making $500 every 2 weeks. What's going on, Lacey? A long time no see, girlfriend. Ooh. All right, I was working making $500 every 2 weeks. I didn't have really any money. All right, I didn't have any bills either. I just had my phone, my gas, and my insurance on my car was only like $50. But I still wasn't able to have enough cash to do the things I wanted. I even had to borrow $70 from my brother. Have you ever been there before? I mean, most of us have actually been there to where the things we're stuck. Okay, I don't know where to go, what to do. Okay, so I was sick of it. So I started looking out for new jobs, new opportunities. What's going on, Lacey? And I was making sure I was going out every single day trying to find a new job. I was shaking the hands and looking the people in the eye of the people that could actually hire me, right? I wasn't just giving them applications. But long story short, I got a job interview in a few days. I show up to the interview. You get 19 portraits for $20. Right? And then I started promoting that, right? I was going to buy it at first, and then he's like, no, dude, you're going to tell other people about it. I was like, all right, okay, cool. So I stopped this one person. I showed them. They paid the $20, and I went to go give the $20 to the guy that was interviewing me, and he goes, oh, no, bro. That's yours. You keep that. That's how you get paid. And I was like, what? You're going to pay me to talk to people? Not only that, you're going to pay me to do more? Every single time I do this, you're going to pay me? What? Dude, I was everywhere. I was like, oh, for you. Okay, I made like $400 my first day doing just $20 sales. Okay? That's what happens when you get paid off of doing the work that you do, right? That's just your commissions there. And long story short, I actually bought into this company when I was like 19 for $6,000. And that was my first business. I started running photography business for like last 4 years. Okay, and I was successful with that. I made it happen, all right? And then I slowly transferred over to this, internet marketing, okay? It's the same thing, okay? The point of my story is I took action, right? I knew where I was isn't where I wanted to be. Is that you? Are you taking the action that you need right now? By the way, if you're the person that says nobody's hiring, no. Everybody's hiring, they're just not hiring you. Okay? That might have got underneath your skin a little bit and stuff, but good. Alright? Someone's got to tell you. But look, everybody's always hiring, okay? You got to work hard and be able to learn. The point of the story is that you got to take action. It didn't matter how much I hated my job. It didn't matter how much I wished that I could have left. I had to get out there, shake hands, make eye contact with people. And even today in the internet world, I'm still reaching out and giving my personal touch on everything. Okay? My friend, when you got your brain food for the day, go ahead and tap that share button for everybody else that's still hungry. I'm going to come to you live tonight for some technique. So make sure you're there. Are you excited tonight? Make sure you tuning in, my friend. Invite some friends. Well, I'm going to show you the right way to do your Facebook Lives and to make your videos. All right? This is your boy, Colton Havens. I'm going to see you tonight. I love y'all. Peace.